Welcome back. I'm Brandon Baker. I'm your host here today. We're going to show you the best way to feed hay. Look at this little rascal. Now here is the way that you've seen us do it on this channel so many times before. We've got a bale on the back. We simply put it down like that right there. Take our wrap off, pick the ring up, put it over it. Now I'm going to show you the best way to feed hay. We couldn't do this previously because we didn't have a front end loader, but now we do. We're going to take our hay bale and we're going to try not to drop it. There we go. And we're going to set it up like that right there. Let's go drive by it and look at it. Now look at our hay right here. You've always got that little piece of junk hay on the bottom right there where you sit it on the ground. If you sit it on the ground, if you sit it up on logs or under a building, you're not going to have that. But I'm going to dare to say that on any hay bale, you're going to have some piece that's got a little gunk to it. But when you put it like this, straight up and down, they have to pick out the sides first instead of picking the middle out. Now if you set it like that bale right there, they're going to go straight for the middle. That tender, juicy stuff, it's not really juicy, but the tender stuff right in the middle, you know, the best part of it. It's like getting the end piece off a piece of bread. You don't want that, you know, but if it gets down to it, you'll eat it. Well, what if you had to eat in from the end of the loaf of bread? You'd have to eat that end piece first. Same deal right here. And they have to eat the outside first. But the other benefit of this is that their heads are not inside of the bale. And what that means is, if there's any dust or anything in the hay, and there's dust in hay, then they're going to not be getting all the dust in their eyes. They're not going to be getting cockleburrs in their eyes. They're not going to be getting pieces of little straw in their eyes. And what's the benefit of that? You don't have as many eye problems. Now, it should be without saying that you don't want as many eye problems. So, there's my tip on the best way to feed hay. That's the way I like to do it. I had an old man that farmed for 100 years, and he taught me that. And I thought that was a pretty slick little trick. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see more content like this. God bless you. Have a great day.